Hello everyone, my name is Varsha. How are you? I hope you are doing good. Today let's make a craft out of coconut shells. For making this coconut shell craft, we need some colors, coconut shell, earbud, hot glue gun, a pipe cleaner and brushes. Let's start by peeling off the top layer using a peeler or the knife. After peeling off the top layer, rub the coconut shell with the sandpaper to make it smooth. Thanks to my mom, she helped me in peeling off the top layer and rubbing the coconut shell with the sandpaper. After rubbing it with sandpaper, the coconut shell looks like this, smooth and clean. Wipe off the coconut shell with a tissue paper or a cloth to remove any extra dust. Let's draw a line to separate the body and the face of a ladybug. Let's paint the face in black. I have a question for you. What colored body does a ladybug have? It is red, right? So let's paint the body of the ladybug in red color. We applied 2 layers of red color. Let's draw a black line on the body to make it look like the ladybug's wings are a little open. Let's paint black dots on the body of the ladybug with black color. Take a pipe cleaner. Curl one side of the pipe cleaner using the edge of a brush and attach it to the ladybug. The antennas of a ladybug help them smell, taste and feel its way around. Let's paint the eyes of the ladybug with white color and the pupil with black color. Let's draw a little smiley with white color. Here is our ladybug. This turned out to be so cute. I never expected the ladybug to be this cute. It won't really take much time. It is very easy. Please do try and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.